guys, today we are doing another car wash, and today we are doing a white sportsy car. So, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is just wash our car before we decorate and give it back to the owner, or maybe take it somewhere so it can be sold to somebody that wants this awesome car. That's really cool. So now it is beautifully white. We can get some polish going. Now we've got really wheels. So now we have done the wheels. We can go for the 3-in-1. The 3-in-1. Now for the decoration machine weenie. So what should I put on? So that is the end of the video. So that is the end. So that is the end of this video. I will see you in the next video, and bye guys! 3-in-1.